Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and this is a palm frond that I found in the yard, and I'm gonna paint it. So after I picked it up out of the yard, I brought it in and cleaned it up, and it's still a little wet down here. It's dry up here, so I'm gonna start painting up here. Trying to figure, I think this is gonna be the top. All right, I kind of have an idea of what I'm going to do, but this is probably just going to evolve as I paint. So this is what I have so far. I've done 2 coats of each of these colors. We have this kind of deep turquoise blue, maybe teal, and then we have orange. And then I ended with the pink here. All these came from the Dollar Tree, including my paint brushes. By the way, I am working on seashell crafts, some of which will be on my Tappingflamingo, aka the Bohemian Hippie channel. Getting ready to maybe make some earrings, but some of them will be on this channel, so stay tuned for that. Anyway, it's all dry, and now I'm gonna do, I think I'm finished actually doing the base paint, but now I'm gonna start doing some designs. All right, so I made a mess. The stuff right here, the only white I can find at the Dollar Tree, white, shiny. I don't really like it. When you squeeze it, it just comes out all at once, and it's really not, it's very transparent. Hopefully I can layer and make this look a little better, but I don't like the way it looks, but oh well. All right, so I kind of took it and made a design with it, but I have to say, this is more like a glue than paint. Well, it's an experiment, so we'll see what happens. So I think I'm gonna be done with this. I probably could add some more, but this is my first try at this. And I've got some other palm fronds that I found. Look at these cool things. I think they look like mermaid tails. And that's exactly what I'm going to do with it. And this one is going to be a gnome. I think I'll use the seashell for its nose. What do you think? So while I'm waiting for the glue to heat up there, I got to decide on a nose. They turned out pretty cool. Originally, I thought about this seashell as his nose, but then I started looking at some other seashells. We have this one. Love that color. I think it doesn't show up very well though. That one's too big. I think I'll stick with this one. I think it's the right size and it'll show up better than the rest of them. All right, let me get that heated up, get that glued on, and then I gotta figure out how we're gonna hang it. All right, I have it all glued on. Oh yeah, I gotta figure out how would we hang that. All right, I pretty much have it all done. I went ahead and put some Mod Podge on it. I'm gonna let it dry, and I guess I'll be done with it. Except for I gotta figure out a way to hang it. All right, so I figured out how to hang it. I just, there were some holes in there, so I took some hemp and I threaded it through the holes a few times, and then I just wrapped it around. And I made a loop with some hemp and tied it on there, and then hot glued it down. And then I hung some little beads. And there we go. Now to tell you about this guy. So I added some hemp at the top there too, and just made a loop with some hemp and glued it down really, really well. Does that look like a gnome? Looks like we have some palm fronds that are getting ready to fall off the tree. I'll have to make sure to keep an eye on that because I want to do some more painting. What do you think of this project? Let me know down in the comment section below. And thanks for joining me today. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.